Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And welcome back to an absolutely beautiful day in Scotland. Apologies for not having uploaded a new video in about a month. Life took a bit of a turn that I wasn't expecting, and I just haven't had the time to upload a new video. But by way of a quick update, the GTR is running absolutely mint. Still a couple of things left to do. Get the wheels powder coated, fix the exhaust. We'll deal with that at some point in the future. Because I've been out of the country for nearly a month, I haven't had an update on the transporter. I'll get you an update on that in the next video. But hopefully the Autospark's done what I needed him to do. But I know you guys came to see the new rebuild, so without further ado, let's take a look at it. So there we have it, ladies and gentlemen, a 2014 Subaru BRZ with around about 50,000 miles on the clock. And yes, it is a little bit shorter than it's meant to be. The bumper's meant to be out here somewhere. But that's alright, because that's what we do here on this channel, is fix stuff. So for those of you that don't know, the BRZ is a 2-litre boxer engine, same as in the Impreza, and it's non-turbo, but on the plus side, it's rear-wheel drive, which might be quite good fun once we get this thing fixed. So this video is really just an introduction to the car. We're not going to do any work today because I landed back in the UK literally about 25 minutes ago. But let's get the bonnet up and start to look and see how much damage is actually on this car. Right, so first things first, we're definitely going to need a new wing because that one is crumpled in all kinds of weird ways. We're going to need to get the bumper off, headlights off, because we're definitely going to need a new front cross member because it's wrecked. You see that great big kink right there. By the looks of it, we're going to need a new radiator as well, but we might be able to save that one. And as you can see, the bonnet latch is quite a long way off where it's meant to be. But like I say, we'll need to wait until all this is off before we'll know for sure. Now the auction did say this was a category N car rather than a category S, so we shouldn't be dealing with any structural damage like we had to with the GTR, where it would need to go away to a professional to get straightened back out again. We should be able to do all this here. And if the chassis leg is a little bit twisted, we'll maybe try and fix it here first before I pay somebody else to do it. So I think what we need to do just now, because obviously we're not going to do any of the repair work today, but we'll get the bonnet back down and we'll give the car a quick clean and see if there's damage anywhere else other than just all of this. So with that, let's break out the power washer, give this bad boy a quick clean. Well, I'll tell you what, 2/3 of the car actually clean up all right. And this part's going to look absolutely awesome by the time we're finished with it. Now, you may have noticed that I didn't clean the wheels, and I did that on purpose because I don't want to get the brake discs really, really wet for it to then spend the next month or so in the garage. I did that with the GTR, and it was an absolute nightmare because it made the brakes really rusty. So I've learnt my lesson there. And as you can see, the panels are a wee bit dull, and there are a few scratches, but nothing the machine polisher won't fix. Right, so anyway, with that, short and sweet video this week, guys and girls. In next week's video, we'll get the GTR out the garage, get the BRZ in, strip down the entire front end, figure out all the things that we need, and we'll just take it from there. And as always, I hope you're keeping well and I hope you're keeping safe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.